guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Doing my CVS haul today. I know typically I post it on Sunday, but yesterday I lost my voice and we went house hunting. So I share a little bit more about that process and everything on my Instagram if you don't follow me yet. But we did put an offer in on a house. Fingers crossed, everything works out, but I know if it's the house meant for us, then it'll go through. If not, then there's a better house out there for us. So gonna stay positive, but I'm super excited. I try so hard not to get my hopes up for it because obviously the market is crazy, but you just can't help it. You see the house and you're like, oh my God, I could see myself being here. Anyway, super excited about that. So today we are outside of CVS. There are 3 transactions I'm gonna wind up doing. Couple moneymaker deals, some freebies, some really good deals that you can take advantage of this week. So I do have a printable breakdown, of course, for you guys linked below in the description box. So make sure you guys print that out. You can take it to the store with you to make it as easy as possible. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals, moneymakers, or giveaways, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them as well. I do have a giveaway that I'm going to be doing on my second channel, Brienne Beauvais. That channel is all about YouTube, making money on social media, Instagram, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Friday in my video. So if you're not subscribed to that channel yet, I'd love to have you guys. I think currently I'm at like 150 subscribers or something. I just launched it a couple weeks ago. So I'd definitely love to have you guys over there as well. I will link that below in the description box for you too. We did get a ton of new printable coupons yesterday. Every Sunday, we always get new printables on coupons.com. Tons of great coupons that you want to print as soon as possible. So definitely make sure that you do so. So let's head inside and take advantage of some great deals at CVS. Okay, first stop is always going to be the coupon center. We are going to see what instant coupons and CRTs we got this week. So I usually type my phone number in about 3 times just to get as many to print as possible. Then the rest will obviously print on the bottom of your receipts, and I send some to my card as well digitally. So this one right here, I am pretty sure it's going to be best to use it next week when there's an extra buck deal. So I'm going to hold on to this one. But we got this instant mystery coupon for the CoverGirl, which is actually the exact price that I had put in my breakdown, which is awesome. That's going to be a moneymaker. And we got this $3 coupon for L'Oreal as well. So definitely print them at the red box. Okay guys, so how ridiculous am I? I bought this like 2 weeks ago. Guess where I put it? On my dryer. So obviously it melted and doesn't even look like a unicorn anymore. So now I have to buy another one because I'm adamant I want to put this in Riley's gift basket. So Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a giveaway and a video on some gift basket ideas at Walmart. I just want to add this in because I think it's the cutest thing ever. So these are $5.99. I'm just going to roll some extra bucks. That way it doesn't actually cost me $5.99. Or you can get the bunnies at $3.99 or cookies and cream, my favorite, $1.49. So that's not a bad price to add in a gift basket if you're trying to put one together. Okay, the first deal I'm gonna do is on the U by Kotex. They're buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So the cheapest ones are these security liners here at $1.79. So grabbing 2 would bring you to $2.68. There's no coupons that work on this size. So we're gonna pay the $2.68 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, making it 68 cents for both or 34 cents each. This is definitely a great donation item as well. So I'm gonna add these to the cart. Here is a great deal on Dove using Shopkick. So if you're new to Shopkick, my link is below in the description box. There's so many great bundles and easy deals that you can do. So what I'm gonna do here is grab the Dove. They're buy one, get one half off, spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. And I actually saw this deal on couponing with Kayla. So if you don't follow her, definitely do so. She does an amazing job. I'm gonna grab one of the instant foaming body washes for $8.29. And I'm gonna grab one of the Dove body washes for $8.99. So the cheaper one is the one that's gonna be half off. So both of them is gonna bring you to $13.14. You're gonna submit the foaming body wash to Shopkick, scan it in store for 30 kicks, and when you purchase it, you'll get another $9.25. Same deal for the body wash. You're gonna scan it in store for 30 kicks and submit it for another 925 kicks. When you multiply that by 0.004, that's how you get the cash value of $7.64. That is gonna make our final cost, after we get our $4 extra buck as well, $1.50 or 75 cents each. Dove is also a bonus item on Fetch Rewards, so you always wanna make sure you're scanning your receipts at the end. Another deal we're gonna do is on the Crest Scope. They are $4.99 this week. Buy one, get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Then we have a $1 off one coupon we got in our PG insert for April. We're gonna pay $3.99, get back a $2 extra buck, making it just $1.99. Sometimes it's as cheap as 79 cents, so it's definitely been better in the past, but this is what I use personally, and I'm out in my stock, so I'm gonna grab it. Here's another nice little moneymaker deal. I'm so excited. They actually have 2 left for me. So they're buy 2, get a $10 extra buck on Gillette and Venus. So these ones are the cheapest ones at just $9.99. So I'm gonna grab both of them. That'll bring me to $19.98. Then I do have this previously printable $3 off one coupon. It's no longer available, unfortunately, but if you have it, you can use 2 of these. And I got this week a 5 off of 20 shave CRT. I'm gonna pay $8.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making both of these completely free and $1.02 moneymaker. Another easy freebie that you can grab, I'm gonna grab some Hallmark. So when they have the little bags here that are 49 cents, they work with Hallmark CRTs. My store's out, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these white ribbon here. It's $1.29 each. Then I'm gonna use this 3 off of 2 Hallmark CRT. That will adjust down, making both of these completely free. That CRT does work on these ribbons here as well, the bows. Those are $1.99, so you can mix and match, of course, and grab whatever you need. It does attach. Now we're gonna grab some CoverGirl. So they are buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. I'm gonna grab this Lash Blast Clean. It is $10.99. Gonna use this $3 coupon. I don't remember the insert. It'll be in the printable breakdown for you. But we do have both of these app-only coupons that you want to make sure you clip and send to your card. I scanned this one, it is attaching to those coupons. However, the $3 CoverGirl Eye digital coupon did not show that it was attaching. That's why I'm going to use the paper one instead. Then I'm also going to grab one of these face powders here. They are $8.99. That'll bring me to $19.98. We do have this $3 CoverGirl Face digital coupon that is attaching to that one. And I'm gonna use this 6 off of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT. And then at the Red Box, we got this mystery coupon that printed for $3 off as well. So total for both products is gonna be $19.98. After all the coupons and CRTs, I'm gonna pay $3.23. Get back the $6 extra buck, making it free and a $2.77 moneymaker, which is an amazing deal. It also tracks towards CVS Beauty. So let's add this to the cart. Now let's start putting together our cash card deal. Same deal this week, spend $30, get a $10 CVS cash card, which is just like a gift card. So it's not attached to anyone's account. You can give it to someone if you want. I'm gonna grab 2 of these herbal essences. They're 2 for $12. And I'm gonna use this 4 off of 2 coupon from the April PG insert. Then there's a couple more items, of course, that we need so we can hit that $30 mark. Then I'll go over the totals. I'm also gonna grab the Pantene. They are 3 for $12. You wanna grab the small ones, otherwise they're 3 for $15 if you're grabbing the big ones. And in the April PG insert, we have a $5 off 3 this time, which is awesome. Then that'll put me over $18 in hair care, so I'm gonna use this 4 off of 18 hair care CRT as well. One more item to pick up, and then we'll complete this deal. The last item I'm gonna include is gonna be the Tide. So this one is $11.94, and I have a $3 coupon from the April PG as well. That'll put us over the $35 mark, so let's see where we're at. Another way you could do it, still including the hair care that we just went over, is grab one of the Tide Pods for $4.94, use a $2 off coupon, and grab one of these Tide liquids, the smaller ones, at $5.94, and use this $2 coupon as well. So I think I'm gonna switch it up and grab it this way instead, because it's gonna be a little bit more savings. So here is everything we're grabbing for our cash card deal. Total is $34.88. After all of the coupons and that CRT comes off, we're gonna pay $17.88 out of pocket, get back the $10 cash card. So that makes our final cost about $1.12 each. You also wanna submit your receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com for their rewards program. You get 50 points per PG product, and you can get up to 250 points per receipt. So this would definitely be a great receipt to submit. They have a bunch of different things that you can redeem for as well, so definitely check that out. Another great hair care deal is going to be on the Suave. Check your CRTs. A lot of times they'll give out some $2 off to Suave. That would make this a moneymaker. I don't have any CRTs that work with the Suave, but it's still going to be a great deal. So they're 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. In the $3.28 save insert, we got this $3 off 2 coupon. So I'm gonna pay $3, get back a $2 extra back, making it $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Here's a great deal on some Garnier facial care as well. They are buy 2, get a $5 extra back. So what you can do is grab 2 of these. They are the cheapest ones at $6.59. Then if you have this buy one, get one free CRT, that'll take off the full amount of one of them. Keep in mind that CRT excludes the micellar water, so you would not be able to use it on those. You'll pay $6.59, get back a $5 extra back, making it $1.59 for both. And this also tracks towards CVS Beauty. Another deal I was gonna grab, but they're out, is the Just the Basics water. It's a 24-pack. It's just $2.99 this week, and I could use this $1.50 CRT. Says it works on Just the Basics 24-pack unflavored water. So that would have made it just $1.49, but unfortunately they're out, so no big deal. Okay, we are back in from CVS. Everything went great. I didn't have any issues. I did forget to give them a $3 coupon, but that's okay. So let's go over the receipts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. First one, I did these. Okay, so first receipt, I did the Suave, the Scope, the Kotex, the Hallmark, the Gillette, and the CoverGirl. So these are all the coupons. The 6 off 20 came off, 5 off 20, $3 CoverGirl, Hallmark came off, the app only coupons came off, rolled extra bucks and beauty buck from last week, paid $8.88 out of pocket with a gift card. Now remember, with a Flu's gift card, if you buy a $10 gift card using one of your 35% cashback vouchers, you'll get back an additional $3.80. So you can use a $10 gift card to cover this, and the remainder will still be on your Flu's account. So then when you do your second transaction, you can use the remainder of that gift card to pay the remaining balance. Then you can do the same thing, get another $10 gift card, you'll get another $3.80 back. So if you're new to Flu's, there is a link below to some videos in the description box for how to use it, all of that information. I'm also gonna be redoing the giveaway for Flu's in my Walgreens video. So I'm gonna post that later today, so stay tuned. So that way we can redo the Flu's gift card giveaway for the $100 gift card. One of the winners never reached out to me, and I wanna make sure I can give that to one of you guys. So stay tuned in my Walgreens video that I'll be posting a little bit later today. So I got the rest of these products. This is the PG spend deal, and then I got that unicorn that I showed you. All the coupons came off. I got a random $1 extra buck that printed at the end of my first receipt, which I don't know what that was from, but that was cool. Rolled extra, these are all the extra bucks that I got from my first transaction. Rolled it into my second transaction, paid $3.39 with a gift card, so didn't pay anything out on that one. Then I just did the Dove on a separate receipt because I wanted to roll the $10 CVS cash card into this because I didn't have any extra bucks or CRTs or anything to use. So I did the Dove deal, used the $10 cash card, and then I used a Fetch Rewards gift card on this one. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket on this one. Submitted my receipt to Shopkick, got back $7.64 worth. That usually takes about 48 hours for me to get that back, so no big deal there. And I got back a $4 extra buck for doing the Dove deal. So all in all, it worked out amazing. Super happy with the deals that I went ahead and grabbed today. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and I will see you in the next one.